up, guys? Today is Tuesday, January 21st, I think. Yeah, the 21st. I'm over here in Burlington, New Jersey. Figured I'd show you guys a little bit what I'm dealing with. It's just snowing a little bit. I normally wear jeans and my sweatshirt pretty much all day, every day. Well, I change the jeans and sweatshirt I pretty much wear every day for a week. But it's all over here. Trying to dry out. It's been started snowing when I got here, and then as I was waiting, by the time I backed into the bay, it was probably about 4.5, 5 inches of snow sitting on the deck already that I had to shovel off. And then get loaded, and then the stupid freaking morons make me pull out into the snow to tarp it. What the hell am I going to tarp it for if I'm going to tarp it out in the snow? It's just going to get soaking wet with snow anyway. Especially if it warms up between tonight and tomorrow before I deliver. Alright, not likely it's going to warm up, but still. Anyway, here's a quick shot of what it looks like. Pretty crappy. It's still coming down pretty good. Nobody knows where they want to go, where they want to be, how many lanes there are. That includes me. Right now I think I'm straddling too. Anyway, if I can, I'll try to show you guys some more in a little bit. Probably the last part I'm going to shoot for this. Got too many people trying to fucking cut in front of me, not paying